This is a specific focus within Ultimate Rewards Redemption, script number 5. If you have a Sapphire card, your points are worth more for travel and dining. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. With a Sapphire Preferred, points are worth 1.25 cents each when redeemed for travel through the Chase portal. With the Sapphire Reserve, they're worth 1.5 cents each. Simply go to the Ultimate Rewards portal, select Travel, and book flights, hotels, or car rentals. Your points cost will be adjusted to reflect this higher value. The Pay Yourself Back feature also often lets you erase dining purchases at the same elevated rate. My crucial pro tip: compare portal prices to the open web. Just because you get 1.5 cents per point doesn't mean it's the best deal. Always check the cash price of the same travel on other sites. Sometimes, even with the bonus, transferring points to a partner for an award flight is an even better value. Leverage your card's bonus to stretch your points further for experiences. Do you usually book travel through your credit card portal or transfer points? For more targeted rewards guides, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.